When I first had the schus to meet Rabbi Bachner, Reb Shlomo, just hearing over the stories, and you saw such devotion, such a passion for Klal Yisrael, my feelings and my response was what a schus and what a great honor to have the opportunity to be part of the Bonei Olam family.
My first reaction when I got the call from Rabbi Bachner was, seriously?
When Rabbi Bachner originally approached us about accepting this honor, my original reaction was definitely no.
I really dislike being in the spotlight. Anytime someone asks me to be honored for anything, and it's happened before, I immensely dislike it, as I'd much rather give money and be on the sidelines and not have anybody know about it.
As I sat through one of Shlomo's speeches, blew me away, just blew me away. I was hooked. I wanted a part of it. I wanted to be part of it.
We decided we needed to put our personal reservations aside and consider all the vital work that he does on a daily basis.
Doing something that you're comfortable with doing isn't necessarily helping the organization you're trying to help
This
out.
wonderful, wonderful Moised of Bonei Olam who help people who struggle with infertility, that they could be able to achieve their dream of one day being able to hold and cuddle a young child.
It's an organization that does wonderful things. Nobody should have to know about them. But for the couples out there that need their help, it's a wonderful organization, and I'm proud to be affiliated with them.
What a gift to have a chance to raise a child and to mechanech him.
The Frum community is based on family. That's the primary thing that keeps the community together, family values, and having a family. And unfortunately, people that have trouble with that, it really makes it very difficult to participate and be part of the Kehillah and part of the community, which is the foundation of our religion.
The Torah Kadosha, when it describes the first chesed, when Klal Yisrael's in Golus, it relates to us the story of Yocheved and Miriam, the great Mesiris Nefesh, that went against the Gzeira of Parai to ensure the continuity of Klal Yisrael. Bonei Olam is a small manifestation and an embodiment of that great Mesiris Nefesh that we saw by the mothers of Moshe and Shal Yisrael.
It's a simple math equation. You have a couple, and have no children. We do our thing. Baruch Hashem, they have a baby. Now it's a family.
One of the things I found very interesting is I run a very unique business, and my customers were very receptive to partner with us in this campaign.
Because of the achdus, the nefesh echos that Klal Yisrael felt for one another. We see by Bonei Olam, it's the exact same thing. When people hear about Bonei Olam, it resonates with them. They gravitate to Bonei Olam for what they do.
Can you imagine now you have a father, a grandfather, a husband and wife, siblings, friends, they're all thankful, they're all happy, they're all doing their things, they're all doing bigger and better things. Ma'asim tovim. Who's that? What is it? It's all your schusim. It's all about what you did.
I feel humbled for all those that helped make tonight a huge success. And I feel grateful to Hashem for allowing us to be involved in this amazing Moised.
I'd like to thank everybody who participated in this and showed up for the event. I know that this is not something that most people look forward to coming to, and I really appreciate you coming out of your way and taking out time from your busy schedules to come to the event. It really means a lot to all of us here that participated in this event and worked so hard to put together the event.
I'd like to thank the wonderful, wonderful Kehillah of Ner Lameo for responding so generously and showing their support, continuing to be the icon of Chesed, one of the pillars of Chesed in the Flatbush community. All my families and friends, my wonderful parents.
I would like to thank everybody that came out and did things on Bonei Olam's behalf.
I know that everybody has many functions to attend to during the week, and I want to thank everybody for coming out here tonight.
By you guys being here, by you guys, donating and showing that you care, you're literally holding our hand, my hand, their hands.
And I want to thank everybody who came for me and for all the other honorees, and for the couples out there that need a hand to hold. Bonei Olam is out there to help them.
We should talk to be zeicha im yeshitu yadayim zel hazeh. When we give a hand to hold,
Hashem should bench you that you should see many fruits of your labor, where every member of our community should have a hand to hold.
Good evening. Anyone who knows me knows that I'm not a public speaker. The fact that I'm speaking tonight shows how much Bonei Olam means to me. Back in the year 2011, after going through several infertility treatments, my wife and I got the good news we had been waiting for. Unfortunately, our excitement was short-lived. Of course, we were devastated and extremely disappointed. It was around that time that Bonei Olam was having their Flatbush dinner. So we decided, you know what, let's go check it out. We heard Rabbi Bachner speak and we were blown away. The following year, we helped fundraise for Bonei Olam. In the meantime, my wife and I continued our fertility journey. We felt that in this chus, that our dear delicious Toby was born just a few nights before the next Bnei Olam Flatbush dinner. Let's fast forward a few years. My wife and I are once again found ourselves thrust into the world of infertility. Due to the sensitivity of infertility and the procedures involved, couples often don't share or seek advice from their loving, caring, devoted parents. Bnei Olam became our family. Any question or decision we have, we know Bnei Olam is just a phone call away. Whether it was medical or financial help, Bnei Olam is our hand to hold. Thank you.